whether bad or good, I just want honesty. Embracing you until it's gone, embracing you until you're bored. But it seems my love won't be enough to hold you down. We are one, it all is such a dream. Why would I trust in such a thing? I don't seem that I can be real just like you. All these questions keep filling up me just like rain. But I know whether I solve this cue, whether I reach to my answer, not a thing will change the future for us two. Cry my feelings till it dries, cry my feelings till I sleep. Soothing up the cold rain fades and leave us just us two. You smile and said for a goodbye, really doesn't belong to me. I could feel a small raindrop into